To mute or unmute all sound by using volume up and down keys in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap mute all sound and then tap mute all sound shortcut. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on, and then select press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. Next, you can enable mute all sound feature by pressing and holding volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select mute all sound. While you are muting all sound, you cannot use volume button to adjust the volume level, and you are only be able to put your phone in silent or vibrate mode. To get back the sound, you have to disable this feature by pressing and holding volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. And then select mute all sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.